Hey guys, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Yes, I know what you're thinking. You're going to be showing us how to do a tutorial video on this. I know, this video has 2 points to it. Number one, be careful out there guys. You've got this twin turbo N54 bloody automatic, traction off. This is what happens guys. Completely obliterated his pride and joy. Yeah, 2014, red leather, the whole shebang. So guys, specifically today, the reason that I've still gone ahead to do this video is the part that we're replacing is still there and you don't actually have to move anything out of the way. So I'm going to show you what we're replacing. I'm going to show you why we're replacing it. It is the coolant vent hose, the hose that travels from the coolant tank over to the top radiator hose. I'll show you what it is when we get there, but another thing, if you do require this part, yes, we have them available at Parts Factory Australia. Click on the title of the video, the description will pop down, click on the link, order the part, get it to your door. Use this video, learn how to fit it, save yourself some money, and don't forget to subscribe. You never know when this channel is going to come in handy. Have it in your toolkit, ready to go for next time, guys. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alright, so here's your coolant tank here. Obviously guys, you'll have to raise your bonnet up. I don't even have to do that today. But you can see this hose here that travels through here, and see how it's disconnected? That's what happens. They actually snap off, very brittle. They run from there to there. Now, this side is a fixed clamp. So what you do is you take a pair of cutters and just cut that. Needs to be good cutters, but yeah, just cut that. This hose will come off, wiggle, 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 pop. And then of course over here, it's just a flat screwdriver. I'll grab it and show you. It doesn't actually need to be a screwdriver. It can be literally anything actually. Anything pointy. So you see this pointy tool that I've got? You could just come in and pop it up like so. And then you just give it a wiggle and it pops off like that. So that's what we're working with here guys. Now, before I go any further, because I know this looks like a piece of junk, I've got the part here just to show you what it might look like if it isn't in pieces. Alrighty guys, so hopefully by now you've pulled off that one off the tank and you can see here, this is the Parts Factory equivalent. So that means you can literally just come along, push that on and it clips on just like that, nice and easy. Now, this part here runs along the front of the radiator and you'll see where it clips in there. You can see that that clip's actually popped off. Look how brittle that gets. Unbelievable, falls apart. That's why we're replacing it, guys. It pops on the front, and then of course, as I said here, we cut that off with a pair of cutters. Cutters like this. You could just come along, grab it, and cut it. Might be a little bit hard the first time. Okay, cut it like that, and then you can just pull the metal off. You can pull that hose off like that. Obviously, we can get rid of that one now. And then you grab your new hose, get a nice new hose clamp, put it onto there, tighten the clamp, clip that in, and that would be how to replace the coolant vent hose, guys. Nice and straightforward and easy. Alrighty guys, I know this has been a little bit different of a video. Obviously this car is completely obliterated, but as you can see, we still have managed to show you exactly how it's done. It's obviously a very straightforward job. It is just that one clip, cut that clamp with a nice pair of cutters, put a hose clamp on, boom, done. That's literally how easy it is, and obviously clip it into the front of the radiator. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget, link in the description if you require this part. Think about how much you're gonna save when compared to going genuine. I bet that this would be a $300 to $400 part with a month wait. We have it in stock, ready to go in Australia for, I think it's $73.30 with free express post anywhere in Australia. So what do you got to lose, guys? My name's Lucas. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. I'll see you next time.